Noun. Noun are our naming words. Noun means namings. Definition of noun is name of a person, place or a thing is called noun. Generally we can classify it in two parts, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are those things which we can count easily. Chair, chairs, table, tables, pen, pens. And uncountable nouns are those things which we can't count. Oil, water, ink, honesty. Honesty is one sort of abstract noun, or it is one sort of emotion, feeling, our understanding, and these are our substance. So we can remember in another way that in countable noun we have singular and plural. We have singular and plural formation. But in uncountable noun, we have only singular formation. In modern classification, nouns are of 5 kinds. First kind is our proper noun, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, व्यक्तिवाचक, जो किसी व्यक्ति विशेष का बोध कराए. Proper noun is name of a particular person, place or a thing is called proper noun. For example, Ram. Ram is a particular person, particular name. Delhi. Delhi is a particular place. Pencil. These are examples of proper noun. Next is our common noun. जातिवाचक संज्ञा. जातिवाचक संज्ञा जो किसी जाति विशेष का बोध कराए. Common noun is category or class for a person, place or a thing. It is category or a class for a person, place or a thing. For example, man. Who is this man? It is not mentioned. Students. Class we can say. Big cities, but particular city is not mentioned. Chair. Which chair is this? It is not mentioned. Table. Which table is this? Dining table, resting table, another one, or study table, computer table. So here particular definition is not given about these things. So it is a category, it is a class of other things here. Third is our कलेक्टिव नाउन, समूहवाचक संज्ञा, जो किसी समूह का बोध कराए, किसी समूह के बारे में बताए. A collective noun is name of a group of persons or things taken together and spoken of as a whole or as unit. For example, class, team, committee, forest of trees, bunch of flowers, bunch of keys, hive of bees, band of musicians, shower of arrows, heap, pile. These are our examples of collective noun. Fourth is our material noun, material, substance. It is called द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा in Hindi. Material noun is the name of a substance that is eaten, drunk, measured and weighted, but not counted. For example, water, oil, sand, wool, cotton, etc. Another definition is also here of material noun. Material noun tells us about the substance or material. Again, I am telling you, material noun tells us about the substance or material which is used as a material for manufacturing the things. For example, gold, silver, plastic, etc. Next is our abstract noun, भाववाचक संज्ञा, जो किसी की भावनाओं को प्रकट करता है, भावनाओं को व्यक्त करता है. An abstract noun is the name of such types of things which is not seen or touched but only thought of. Again I am repeating it. It is name of that type of things which is not seen or touched but only thought of. Our emotions are also good example of abstract noun. For example, honesty, poverty, beauty, truth. It tells about quality of a person. Some action words are also our abstract noun. Walking, running, singing. We can use our subjects also. Science, art, mathematics, Hindi, English and Spanish. These are our languages. In abstract noun we can also use it. And next is which is our feelings which we feel. For example, headache, any sort of other disease. Those are also our form of our abstract noun.